Here are the top legal news stories from the last 4 hours, covering major indictments, Supreme Court fallout, new federal actions, and high-impact rulings shaping the justice system. This is news, not legal, medical, or financial advice. New Orleans Sheriff Susan Hutson was indicted today on 30 felony counts tied to one of the largest jailbreaks in the city's history. Prosecutors allege systemic failures in oversight and security protocols that allowed multiple inmates to escape. Legal analysts say the case could reshape statewide detention center standards and trigger broader investigations. A major Supreme Court decision issued today has already prompted multiple states to begin redrawing election maps, according to legal filings. Civil rights groups argue the ruling weakens key protections and opens the door to aggressive redistricting strategies. Constitutional scholars say the long-term implications could reshape federal oversight of state election laws. The Department of Justice filed suit against New Jersey today, arguing that the state's new public mask ban violates constitutional protections. Federal attorneys say the law disproportionately affects individuals with medical and religious needs. State officials maintain the ban is necessary for public safety enforcement, setting up a high-stakes legal battle. A Romanian national was sentenced today for orchestrating a massive swatting spree targeting U.S. officials, judges, and agency leaders. Investigators say the attacks involve coordinated spoof calls designed to trigger armed law enforcement responses. Cyber law experts warn the case highlights growing international challenges in prosecuting digital harassment crimes. A federal judicial panel issued updated guidance today on how courts should evaluate AI-generated evidence in civil and criminal cases. The framework emphasizes transparency, model documentation requirements, and expert witness standards. Legal analysts say this marks a major step toward modernizing evidentiary rules as AI becomes more common in litigation. This content is not legal, medical, financial, or professional advice. These are news summaries only. Do not treat any anecdotal or reported stories as advice. Always consult qualified professionals for personal decisions.